how to get best E&MONEY promo codes. Hey guys, in this video I will let you know how to get best E&MONEY discount promo codes. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. So to get the best promo codes for the E&MONEY, first of all, I will recommend you to go to your browser and search for a website and go on to grabon.pk. So from this website, in the search bar, when you will click into the search bar and write the E&MONEY. After writing the E&MONEY, you will search and you will find different stores. And from here, you can select any of the store where you want to use your promo codes. So select any of your desired store. After that, copy the promo code, then go back to the E&MONEY website, log into your app, or if you want, you can also log into the website of E&MONEY and here add that promo code which you copied from the Grabon. In that way, you will be able to get the best E&MONEY discount promo codes. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.